What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how I was able to open up a bank account here in Colombia. And no, I do not have a cellular. Without further ado, let this video begin.
Subscribe right now.
What's up guys? For those who don't know me, I am a traveler YouTuber. I've been traveling around the world for the past year, and I'm back here in Colombia, one of my favorite countries, right? While I'm here, I lost my debit card, okay? So while I'm waiting for my new debit card to come from the States, I opened a bank account here in Colombia without a cellular. First thing first, I want to give a shout out to Gringo Paisa, okay? He is a very informational guy when it comes to Colombia. He's also part of the Colombia WhatsApp group that I have here in this community. And so what I'll do is I'm going to link all his information in the description, including the video, okay guys? In that video, he also talks about money transferring, okay? Today, I'm not going to be talking about that, so make sure you check out his video. Today, I'm going to be sharing you my experience opening a debit account, not a savings account, a debit account. All right guys, so I have my notes and so I don't miss anything, so excuse me as I look at my phone. And so today I'm going to talk about the bank I use, which is BBVA, which means Banco Bilbao, Vizcaya, Argentaria, okay? Sorry if I said Bilbao terrible, right? But it is a huge bank. Okay, you've probably seen the symbols everywhere, maybe when you're watching sports or something like that. They're all over the world, and they do have a subsidiary bank here in Colombia, okay? To name a couple of locations they have US, Brazil, Belgium, Mexico, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Portugal, Uruguay, Venezuela, Argentina, and of course, Colombia. The bank here is one of the top banks here in the financial sector in the whole country, all right? And as of 2018, they have over 552 branches, which span over 123 cities, okay? So if you are traveling to Colombia, just know the chances of finding a bank are highly likely. Today, I'm gonna be talking about opening an account in Colombia. All those different countries I just named might have different requirements, okay guys? So we're only talking about Colombia. Now let me talk about the process, okay? It was a smooth, seamless process. If you are gonna go apply, there's a couple ways of doing it. You can try to do it online, but I recommend you, if you want your debit card, to go into the branch and do it that way, okay? When you get to the branch, I recommend going in the morning time, because in the morning time, a lot of people are at work, so you might be able to streamline things a lot quicker, okay? If you go in the afternoon, I guarantee you the bank might be packed. The bank hours in Colombia are a little bit different, so they do take a break around 12 o'clock, and you might not see them back until 2. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is this, okay? All right, we're not talking about cellular. If people don't know what cellular is like a form of ID they give people here that are staying here for a longer period of time on a purpose. I'm actually on a tourist visa, so it's a regular 90-day visa, and I was able to do it. What I did was I went to the closest bank near me. I had my passport. I went to the front teller and I told her I wanted to open a bank account. Okay, everyone spoke Spanish. But since I speak a little Spanish, it wasn't too terrible. Your experience might vary depending on what city you go to in Colombia, all right? I'll just say this. So first thing, guys, you're gonna need is your passport. You ain't got your passport yet? This is pretty much the main thing you're gonna need, okay? But then you're gonna have to have some other information, so hear me out. So once I got into the bank, I went to the teller, and the teller was able to sit me down, and she asked me a couple questions. Of course, she wanted the passport, so I gave her the passport, and she wanted to do it through the phone, and then she changed her mind. I don't know what was the reason for that, so I'm just telling you, go the route of not doing it through the phone. Once you give me your passport information, she's gonna be asking you for some minor information that you should be able to provide. The other minor one will be proof of what you do for a living, all right? For me, I have some paperwork that shows where I work, and so I was able to give her that paperwork. For you, that might be a pay stub or something, but she's gonna want some type of paperwork. I had 2 copies from 2 different years, and she accepted it. So Not bad at all. All right, she's also gonna need your email, so you should be able to give her an email. And then she's gonna need an address for this place, right? She or he, all right? Just before people say, hey, why are you so gender specific? All right, so that person, the teller's gonna ask for your address, right? And you should be able, you have to give them an address. So they're gonna ask for an address, so you have to give them an address here, all right? Give them one here, okay? If she tried to do it from where I live, it would not go through. Another thing you're gonna need is a phone number from this country as well. So I have both. I had both of those information. I gave her that, all right? Email, phone number, address, passport, and then she wanted like a reference, someone I can reference. And so I know a couple people here. I just gave them one of my friends' information, phone number. And then proof of where you work. Make sure you have all those different things, and your process of signing should be simple. Once she got all the information from me, she was able to give me the debit card. And make sure you tell her you want to set up your PIN, because she didn't, I had to remind her, okay? So make sure you get that done. I don't know if that's something they normally do, or if she forgot to do it, but they didn't create the PIN number for me. After I got my card, they sent me to another teller, and he asked for a deposit. There was no minimum deposit, okay? I asked him how much does he need. He says, doesn't matter. So I just gave him a certain amount, and that was it. Now, if you're wondering, have I used this card? Yes, I've used this card already a couple of times. I've been to places where they asked me to enter in my PIN number, so I know it works. This works, guys. So I hope this helps you out. So let me explain who can benefit from having a bank account here in Colombia, right? If you are a digital nomad, expat living here, yes, most definitely you can benefit from having a bank account here. If you are just coming here, fly by, or have a visitor visa here, you can benefit as well if you're gonna be here for more than 1 month. The reason why is because you'll be able to avoid certain fees like ATM fees or transactional fees when you are at a location and you want to use your debit card here, because it's from here. Now, if you use your other debit card from the other country you're from, then you're going to get charged a small percentage. But if you're going to be here long term, those fees add up. Guys, in 2018, I moved to Colombia for 3 months and actually racked up to $500 worth of international debit card transactional fees, okay? So I know how this can really benefit people. Obviously, if you're gonna be here for like 2 weeks, it probably wouldn't matter. But if you love Colombia, or if you're thinking about investing in property here, it might not hurt to have a little money here, okay? If you come out here like once a month, because I know a lot of you guys do that, that might be something you wanna do. Just drop some money here. Hey, it is a strategy. I want to give a shout out again to Gringo Paisa, okay? Go check out his video. If you want some information on opening a savings account in Colombia, check the link at my boy's channel, Gringo Paisa. He gets into detail about sending and transferring money from the States. So that might help you guys out. I'll just say this, don't send no money to nobody though, okay? Guys, if you're traveling to Colombia and you want more insider information, or you just want to link up with some brothers, like-minded brothers who like Colombia, or talk to them, consider joining the Colombia WhatsApp group. There's a lot of value on there, and I guarantee you it can help you when you travel to Colombia. Don't be afraid. All that information is in the description below. We're waiting for you. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped you out. If you know someone that's traveling to this country for a long period of time, maybe you want to share this with them, or share it with your travel group, okay? Facebook group, WhatsApp group, everybody group. Just share it with everybody. Share it with all your people who are living here on how to open a bank account in Colombia, all right? I hope this helped you out, guys. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Your boy got a bank account here. I got 2 banks, one in the States and one in here. All right, man. I'll see you guys later. Yo!